So, have you ever watched Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory? The original, of course. Now, I realized something recently that completely changed how I think about my goals and my dreams. I realized I've been holding on the golden ticket and completely forgot about the chocolate factory. Now, hold on, let me explain. Now, the golden ticket was never the real prize. It was simply what gave Charlie access to the experience. And I realized I've been fixated on the ticket. Now, sometimes we become so focused on what we think will change our lives: a job, more money, a relationship, maybe a business opportunity, or whatever we feel the golden ticket is, that we completely forget about what we're truly longing. Maybe it's never been about the ticket. Maybe it's always been about the peace, the joy, the experiences, the life you've been longing for waiting on the other side. So don't spend so much time staring at the golden ticket that you forget what the chocolate factory actually represents, the thing that you've been longing for.